Now let's talk about the inheritance, one of the very important concepts in C++ or any object-oriented programming, including Java and Python. So you have to have a clear understanding of inheritance in order to master object-oriented programming. So creating a derived class, how do you define a derived class and a base class? So base class, symbolically, if you see somewhere, is like base class. If this is a base class, a derived class is derived from base class. So all the properties, public properties, will be available in derived class. So consider this car and vehicle. Vehicle has all the common features, common attributes like engine, torque, and etc. All this, every vehicle, car, train, or rocket has those. And car specifically derived from vehicle, or you can derive a train from vehicle. So in this case, the car has additional thing, wheel, doors, and more, some additional feature. And a rocket can have something else. A flight can have something else. So those are added in those derived class. So this is base class, vehicle, and car is a derived class. So how do you read this? If car is a derived class of vehicle, you can read like car is a kind of vehicle, and vehicle is a base class of the car, and vehicle is a superclass of the car. You can read that way. And car is derived from vehicle, and car is a subclass of vehicle, and car is a special kind of vehicle. So all these terms can be used, most commonly used as, okay, vehicle is a base class of the car. Vehicle, if this is a class, and it can represent like this, car. So all the vehicle attributes are available in the car. This is how an inheritance looks like. This is the simplest one to explain. And the access control we discussed earlier, this is also important in this case. In C++, when a derived class inherits from base class, in this case, car is deriving from vehicle, the access control of the base class members can be modified in the derived class. So if it is a public members of the base class remains public in the derived class. So you are deriving car from vehicle publicly. This is a public derivation. So in this case, all the public members will remain as public, and protected members, if it is protected derivation, derived protected, and public members of the base class becomes protected in the derived class. And if it is private, public and protected members of the base class become private in the derived class. And the private members are not directly accessible in the derived class. That's the rule.